Hello friends, let's learn about the toucan. This beautiful bird comes from the rainforests of Central and South America. Toucans love to eat fruit. They often search for fresh fruit high up in the trees. Their large, colorful beak is not just pretty. It's really useful for grabbing food. Toucans usually play in small groups. They are friendly birds that enjoy socializing. But sadly, the forests where they live are threatened by tree cutting. We need to protect the forests to keep them safe. Thanks for like and subscribe. See you on the next video.